Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to apply Temu credit. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Temu, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can sign in using your Google account, your Facebook, your Apple, even your Twitter account. And I believe that's all you need and you're good to go. Okay, so Temu Credit provides you with the flexibility to make purchases or cover expenses even when you might not have sufficient funds available. Say for example, you wanted to apply for Temu Credit. It would give you access to a line of credit that you can use whenever needed, providing convenience and peace of mind. Okay, so once you are here, just find a specific kind of item that you wanted to purchase. Say for example, I'm gonna go here at the cell phone and accessories, click on it and add it to your cart. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the trending items and click on and add it to the cart. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this option. I'm gonna select the green color for now, and one item added. Now when you hover down below right here, we need to go to our cart section, because from here, all right. Okay, so once you are here, you should be able to find the option for you to use your Temu rewards. Okay, so from there, when you select that, you would have the access to make your spending here a little bit cheaper, because you're going to use your rewards and it's like using your discount. If you can't find that option here, all you have to do is simply check the credit balance. Make sure you have enough balance for you to be able to spend here on Temu, or also you might want to go to the coupons and offers, right? So if you have unused coupons, you might want to use them as well. All right, you'd also have the option to get on the used and expired. And still, if you don't get the option for to use your rewards, you might want to go to the chat history and look for the customer support service. And from here, all you have to do is contact a live chat agent, and if you get a hold of it, just tell them you wanted to use or apply your Temu credit and it's not appearing on the option during the checkout process. Okay, and by following these steps using Temu credit responsibly, you can leverage its benefits to manage your finances effectively and achieve your financial goals. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that you can apply for Temu credit online through the provider's website or mobile app and fill out the application form with required personal and financial information. See you in the next video.